right, let's actually calculate the projection of one vector onto another algebraically. So you've had the chance to see the simple little right triangle derivation of the formula. If we're projecting onto a vector v, it's basically trying to figure out, so how much of that vector is going in that direction. So when we're done, it's about multiplying the bottom vector by some scalar. So this is a scalar, and that's the vector in that same direction. So, first example. Might look like some familiar numbers, but why reinvent the wheel? The projecting u onto v without any visual would look like this. Dot product 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times -1 is -5. The magnitude of the v onto v, and then we're going to square it. Better be paying attention, not on autopilot here. 36 and 1 is 37, root 37 squared, and then multiply by the vector v. That's going to be 13 over 37 multiplied by vector v. Now that's not a finished answer. That's basically, here's the scalar that we're going to multiply by this. Please note that 13 over 37 is less than a half. So we're cutting this vector by, it's less than half of its original length. So we'll write it out this way, 13 over 37, 6, -1. And then my exam directions, I ask students to complete vector operations. Dot product, nope, we already did that. This is the scalar multiplication. 6 times 13 is 78 over 37. -13 over 37. There you go. That's the actual red vector, we're going to call that. That's how you would look at this. Let's quickly look at a three-dimensional example. All right, let's slide this up. All right. Get ready to pay attention. Do not stay on autopilot. The dot product is still the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. -1 times 6 is -6. 4 times -2 is -8. What goes down here? Well, we're projecting onto u. We're projecting on to the vector u. What that means is vector u is going to be down here. So 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1, that's 5, and 16 squared of 21 squared, and then we'll multiply by vector u, because we're going to project onto vector u. It'll be in the direction of vector u. Let's see, -8 over 21. I'm switching back to component form because I don't trust my writing or my arithmetic skills. You see it? Huge typo. Boom, boom. Huge typo. I'm not projecting onto v, I'm projecting onto u. I didn't actually plan that, but I'm keeping it in here. All right, let's try it again. -8 over 21. That's 2, -1, and 4. That's -16 over 21. Negative times negative is +8 over 21. And -32 over 21. Boom. You should know that this projection is in the opposite direction of the original vector u. That negative sign means that the shadow was in the backwards direction. There you have it. Make sure to distribute at the end. Do your scalar multiplication. There we go. Until next time.